Good morning, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor, and today is February 5th, 2014. We'll talk real quick about the stock market and what's really happening from the perspective of what I see in the world. That basically the stock market recouped some of the prior losses for the last several days. But the fact is, this was really on low volume, really was not a positive. That we still had these 8 distribution days. We're still down 1,000 points on the Dow. You can say the Nikkei is even worse, where it's down 1,700. But, again, I'm not a bull, I'm not a bear. I'm just trying to realize exactly what is happening. And again, none of this is actually meant for any personal advice or anything. It's general. It's what I see is in the market and is what I see. And actually, you can read the full disclosure down here on the bottom of the webpage. But continuing further, this is basically what's happening. You have to realize where you are in this world. You don't want to be a bull, you don't want to be a bear, you don't want to be super aggressive like you had, let's say going short. The perfect example is like some of the gap ups that we've seen in here, like with, let's say here with Michael Kors. Let's just do that real quick. Oops, I'm opening up too many windows. Way too many windows. They're all opening right now. But as they're opening, let me just say like this. Basically, you had big gap ups because we're in earnings season with Under Armour. You had big moves up also with Chipolita, CMG. You had a big move up also with Facebook. When you're trying to short, again, it can get very difficult and it's very easy to lose money very quickly. Here, let's let this finish loading and then I'll show you some of these. But as this is loading, I think we're on the last one. Good. Let's see if I can find, oops. Let's do like Under Armour. Let me see what I mean. It's kind of freezing here. Oh, no. Let's just try again. Window. Well, here's Chipolita. Should be here somewhere. Pretty close. Let's see. Or here, Facebook. Facebook gapped up. So you don't want to just start going short. It would be, not prudent. But here, let's do Under Armour was another one that gapped up. Under Armour. Big gap up. And also yesterday was Kors. Here. KORS.O. Next. And that's great. That didn't work. Let's do it this way. Huge gap up. So what is my point? You don't want to be a bull. You do not want to be a bear. You want to read what the market's telling you. Take these into consideration again. That the VIX was up to 20, which is the highest it's been in the last 4 months. We're definitely in a correction. That doesn't mean go out and start buying a lot of stocks and trying to buy the dips, because this correction can get a lot worse. And what am I basing that on? Without any opinions. Basically, stock market's not that cheap at 16, 17 times earnings. The Baltic Index fell 50% from December. And I'll tell you humbly, I was in a trade. I tried to do a retracement trade in this one. Dry ships. Oops, I have to close some charts. So here. Try buying this bounce. And the trade really didn't work. But it wasn't a big loss, but it just didn't work. But you can see this is an indication of how much this has been down from the Baltic Index. And the Baltic Dry Index is the shipping of the world shipping all over the world, not just with China and everything else. You have to realize that the currencies, if you want to go from Turkey to Argentina, I don't want to use the word collapsing, but they're really getting hit. Another major point is that real disposable income has had its largest year-over-year drop since 1974. So again, put everything into perspective. You do not want to be a bull. You do not want to be a bear. You want to read the market. You want to have a trading plan. That this trading plan, again, you're always going to have you're always going to have losses. Your goal is trying to keep them small. But the thing is, you have a trading plan. And if you don't have a real trading plan, you should not even be trading. Again, what I'd like to do is I offer my services out. I am a consultant. Actually, I'll show you the new website I have also. I do hourly consulting, which you can book. I'm probably booked now almost 3 weeks out. Basically, I help you build systems, trading plans, mechanical trading plans, and then trading psychology, because you can have the greatest system or methodology, but if you can't follow it, it's worthless. So what I work with you on is fear and greed and risk management, so you can accept really what happens with your trading, and you can think in the next 1,000 trades. This is the new website I've just built. It's more geared towards professional investors, hedge funds, prop desk traders, banks, as well as actually just more professionals. But again, I'm available for consulting. I'm available for speaking engagements. I've spoken at everything from Bloomberg to Thomson Reuters to others. Again, I invite you to this website. It's Abraham Trading Consultants. And again, if there's any way I can help you, feel free to email me, and I'm here to help you. Thank you.